Can you recommend some practice material for studying Spanish? This question comes from Travel Hut at Newbie Outdoors. Make sure to check out their IG page and go follow them. Duolingo is one of the most popular language learning tools out there, but that does not mean it's the best tool for learning el español. Here are 4 must-use free resources for Spanish students. But right before we go into it, if you want us to feature your IG page or YouTube channel and answer your Spanish or French questions, be the first to leave your question in the comments. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications. Empecemos. Number 4. Forvo. Forvo offers the option of listening to native speakers pronounce words. Type any word in Spanish into the search field to find it. Based on their name, gender, and country of origin, you can then select the type of native speaker you'd like to hear pronounce the term. This is a great resource if you're learning Spanish on your own and don't hear much Spanish spoken around you. Forvo lets you hear how words are pronounced in the dialect of your choice. You can customize your learning to the Spanish dialect you prefer or would like to study. You can also download the voices of the speakers as audio files and practice your pronunciation at your leisure. Number 3. Memrise. This is an excellent website for those who are just beginning to learn Spanish. It gives you a foundation of vocabulary terms to build on as you progress through the grammar fundamentals. Hearing, seeing, and writing the vocabulary words over and over again solidifies them in your mind, allowing you to build sentences and hold your own in conversations. You can also download the app on your phone. Memrise encourages you to learn Spanish by connecting your memories and life events. The site produces a customized workout for your brain based on numerous activities. The more your brain struggles to retrieve a memory, the more likely you are to retain it long term, according to Memrise's research-based notion. Memrise associates new terminology you're learning with memory cards called MEMS, made by site users. You may always make your own MEMS if none of the ones offered for your vocabulary appeal to you. Native speakers of various dialects are featured in the audio files. All of the courses combine old and new terminology in order to help you commit it to long-term memory. The website does a wonderful job of duplicating terms from previous courses in new ones so you don't forget what you've learned. It also uses a variety of learning methods, visual, written, and auditory, to appeal to a variety of learning styles. Number 2, the Spanish Experiment. This website breaks down basic Spanish lessons into manageable chunks. It covers parts on how to avoid common mistakes, as well as instruction on grammar topics and basic conversation. It is an excellent resource for improving your Spanish because it provides a large number of stories that you may read and listen to in the Spanish while also receiving English translations. These stories include Pollito Tito, Chicken Little, El pájaro y la ballena, The bird and the whale, Los tres cerditos, The three little pigs, Recitos de oro y los tres osos, Goldilocks and the three bears, among others. Que bueno! What a brilliant resource this is. If you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and hit the like button and give us a like. And now for number 1. Drum roll, please. Radio Ambulante is a Spanish language podcast from Latin America. High quality journalism that will help you comprehend Latin American culture as well as learn Spanish. You can listen while doing mundane household activities like washing the dishes and mopping the floor. And you can also get transcripts in Spanish or in English. That's it. That's our top 4 resources. You can find the link to these resources in our description box. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Hasta luego.